In this video, you'll learn how to add the Calendly extension for Google Chrome. By following these steps, you'll be able to quickly install and access Calendly directly from your browser, enhancing your scheduling efficiency. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Ensure that you are connected to the internet, as you will need access to the Chrome Web Store. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the window. Type in Chrome Web Store into the address bar and press enter. This action will take you to the official Chrome Web Store homepage. Here you will find a variety of extensions available for download. To locate the Calendly extension, look for the search bar located on the left side of the page. In the search bar, type Calendly and press enter. The search results will display various extensions related to Calendly. Carefully look for the official extension named Calendly Meeting Scheduling Software. It is essential to select the official version to ensure proper functionality. Once you have located the correct extension, click on it to open its details page. This page provides a description of the extension and user reviews. To initiate the installation, click the button that says Add to Chrome. A confirmation dialog will then appear outlining the permissions required by the extension. In the confirmation dialog, click Add Extension to proceed with installation. After a brief moment, the Calendly extension will be downloaded and installed in your browser. You will notice the Calendly icon appear in your browser toolbar, confirming that the installation was successful. To enhance your user experience, it is recommended to pin the extension for easy access. Start by clicking the puzzle icon, which represents extensions located to the right of the address bar. A drop-down menu will display all your installed extensions from the list. Next, click the pin icon next to the Calendly extension. This action will move the icon to your toolbar, ensuring it remains visible for quick access whenever you need it. Now that the extension is pinned, you can easily use it without searching through your extensions menu. To complete the setup, click on the Calendly icon in your Chrome toolbar. If prompted, log into your existing Calendly account to access your scheduling features. During this process, you may be asked to grant certain permissions to the extension. Ensure that you review these requests and click Allow to enable full functionality. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.